Hi, this is Venkat here. So today I'm going to talk about a fantastic topic, and lots of people they used to ask me this question, sir. Like I want to know about blockchain, sir. So this is the question which people have asked in the comment section. So I want to give this session. So I'm really excited to give this particular video for you people. Before that, these are some of the superb videos which I've done it for you people in technical areas like ethical hacking. Lots of videos are there. And if you missed any of the video, yes, you can go to my channel Wikitechy. So here is my channel Wikitechy, which got a lot of technological content and engineering and subject related educational related content is available in Kashu Venkat. This is my another channel. If you love to subscribe it, please subscribe it and click that bell symbol to get regular notifications. This is the usual dialogue. And you can post your comments. Whatever feedback you got, you can post the comments. So improvise my channel, my videos. Apart from that, if you're looking for any other technology, please post it. I am ready to do it for you. Let's move on. Yeah, like if you want to contact me, yes, you can contact me via my Insta account. So Kashu_infotech is my Insta account. Click that follow button and you can contact me at any time. Here is my contact numbers. Okay, so I've written lots of technological content in my website. So just go to wikitechy.com/tutorial to see all my tutorials related to blockchain and other hacking, and lots of stuffs are there. So I'm running the company and I'm giving Kashu certified ethical hacking expert kind of training with lots of ethical hacking concepts covering network hacking, system, file server, and we got a lot of things. Apart from that, I'm teaching you the dedicated operating system Kali Linux and Pat OS Linux. If you're really interested, please contact us. We are ready to help you. And our company got a security based course also, Kashu Infotech certified security specialist with the CCN networking and ethical hacking concepts, cyber security and penetration testing, and complete blockchain concepts. So we are providing offline and online. So if you're interested, you just contact us. We are ready to help you. Okay, so advertisement over. Let's move on to this session. See, I'm trying to tell you a scenario. The scenario is there is a competition, a football competition is running, and myself and my friend, oh, and this guy. So myself and my friend, we planned, we are putting we are fighting for the winning game, and I got a bet. Hey guy, so Barcelona is the country, like Barcelona is the team. They are going to win. I'm putting $100, man. Okay, and my friend is putting he is supporting Madrid, and he is putting $100. So we got a bet which team is going to win the game. Okay, so it's a good thing. The unfortunately, considering my friend lose the game, like a Madrid team lose the game, so I need to get that $100, but my friend is not giving, he's cheating me, man. Come on. So he is cheating me. So we need. So I'm fighting with him. So he's telling, we don't have proof for that, man. Just talk we made. So there is no proof that we made $100 bet. So he is not giving. Oh, it's a tough time for me. So the next time, I started thinking, I want to go with some other thing. So I thought of going it so considering I got some 32 lakhs, 37 lakhs, 37 lakhs Indian rupee. So I have to carry, and I'm going to give I made a competition with my friend. I'm going to bid 37 lakhs. This time I should have missed it, man. So we made a contract. So I've signed a contract with this guy. So my friend and myself, we signed the contract, but still he is breaching the contract. He's a worst guy, man. I'm not supposed to have a bet with this guy. So this is the next biggest problem I face. So we signed a contract, but still it's a biggest problem which is happening. He's breaching the contract, and we went to the courts. But years, it goes in years, and I have to make a lot of money to win this contract. So I invested $100 to get my $100, man. That's impossible, man. So this is the biggest problem I face. So the next time I started thinking I have to go with some other thing. So we made a mutual agreement. Hey, there is a central third party, can be a bank or someone. Third party is there. So this guy should give $100 and this guy should give $100. Okay, obviously. So the winning guy will be getting this $200. Maybe the third party will get some money, little bit of money, $5 or $2 as commission. But I ensure that I got the $95 from my friend. That's awesome, man. So these two people can't cheat. That's awesome. The problem which I face is this third party ran away. This third party ran away, one, There is a possibility that this third party is denying that, hey, you both didn't give the money, man. Myself and my friend losing money because of this guy, third party, he is cheating me. So this is the scenario which we face. That's where, so like we are thinking like, instead of one third party, can we have some multiple parties so that at least one person will be genuine, right? So that I can get the money back. That's where your blockchain comes into the picture. So here is the more centralized way of transactions. The transaction is not available only in the centralized place. It is given to multiple places so that everyone will be having this transaction details, so they can't cheat you. So this is how your decentralized system starts coming up. So this is where your blockchain is coming into the picture. So the blockchain, so before that, like we started thinking about like, so if instead of giving money and all, sir, can we have some other means instead of dollars, instead of Indian rupee, because every country will have different currencies. Can we have a global currency so that we can use it worldwide? That's where your Bitcoin comes into the picture, and everything, the transactions, everything is happening via the Bitcoin. So I gave the Bitcoin, you give me the money. So considering like I got the Bitcoin here, one Bitcoin in rupees is almost 37 lakhs 29,452.34. That's awesome, man. This is a huge money I got. Okay, instead of carrying 37 lakh in my pocket, I got one number. That is a Bitcoin. Yeah, one number. I gave that number to that guy and it will go to that guy. But I can have the transaction. So instead of carrying 37 lakhs, instead of giving 37 lakhs to one person, I can give one Bitcoin. Simple. Okay, so you want 3 Bitcoins, it's 1 crore, man. 1 crore, 3 Bitcoin. That's awesome, man. This is how your Bitcoin started emerging. So the billionaires and millionaires like Ambani and other people, they won't have the money in the cash. They will have in the format of Bitcoins. So because they got huge money, they can't retain the huge money. It is a digital currency. It's a number. It's a digital currency. So we are able to maintain it. If you are having 100 Bitcoins, you are the just guy. 50 crores more than you got. 50 crores, man. 37 crores. Awesome, man. That's awesome. If you got 100 coins, 100 Bitcoins, you got 37 crores. Oh, yo. Anyway, let's move on here. The Bitcoins will be working on the concept of blockchain. So all the transactions will be like assigned or will be in the format of blocks. Okay, and the blockchain, the transactions will be converted high. This is converted into a hash data. It is completely encrypted. You can't decrypt it. You need a public key and private key to decrypt the concepts. You decrypt it and it is impossible to go back to the original stage. We'll talk about those things. So all the transaction will be created as blocks and it is chained. That's how your blockchain comes to the picture. Here is the blockchain. It is kind of a linked list. So linked list in the sense you can see 1 block, 2 block, 3 block, 4, 5, 6, and this guy is referring this guy is referring the address. So the next guy's address will be here, 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 next guys. So everything based on the timing, the blockchain. So considering the timing also to create the blockchain, so it is a unique address which is created and it can't be duplicated and you can't predict the address of the next blockchain. If someone hacked this one, from here there is no reference here, so completely the entire blockchain will get corrupted. Okay, that's where the ethical hackers and cyber security people are really important in this blockchain world, and no one can decrypt and get the data. That is the beauty of blockchain. You got a lot of security features. So once if your transaction is done, it is not that in one place, it will be done in multiple places. The updates will be happening in multiple places, so that from somewhere you will get the confirmation, so that the user will be accessing their accounts. Okay, see, actually, like considering I got an account in ICICIbank.com. If the server is down, and access the data. Considering the data is in 4 places. If this server is down, I can check with this guy and I can get the data. So considering an ATM is this ATM is not working, I can go to this ATM. If it is not working, I can go to this ATM or this ATM, right? It's a similar kind of concept. We can do it in online. That is how your blockchain works. Yeah, all the blockchains can be accessed and it can be maintained in the format of crypto wallets. So you can see the crypto wallets here, and this will tell you like how much money you got and what is the growth of your Bitcoin range and everything. You are able to check it out instantly. So that's how your crypto wallet is. Now I'll talk about the key, sir. It's like a Google Pay, man. It's like a Google Pay. You can just it's an app. You just download it, log into the app. You are able to see how much Bitcoin you got and what is the cost of the Bitcoin today. Okay, everything you can see it here. Sir, the next one is like, sir, my crypto wallet is there, sir, and I have to do the transaction, sir. In that case, we need some keys. So while sending a money in online, you will be giving a key. You will be giving a key so that they will verify the transaction password is correct and the login password is correct or not. Everything is verified. Yeah. Okay, so over here you are able to see I got my private keys and public keys. So you are able to see my public key and private keys. Over here, the private key, it is a large randomly generated numbers. Generated numbers, it's a huge generated numbers, no one can predict it. And there is a public key which is generated from this private key. This is generated from this public key, the private key. Public key can be shared to others also. Okay, and address, the address. So this blockchain is the next blockchain address I need, where I want to store it. That is created from the public key. That's awesome, man. So everyone will be generating different public keys and the address will be different. How your blockchain works. Okay, sir, you may tell me, sir, A is a person, he created one public key, sir. B is a person created another public key, sir. Same keys they created, but they won't do the transaction the same second, man. So based on the timing and the keys, the blockchain will be created, the address will be created. So there won't be any duplication. In the fraction of a second, they can't do it, right? So it is impossible. It won't work out, okay? Anyway, so this is how your blockchain works. And you got your crypto wallets and everything. See, considering a guy is there, Alex, and this guy is sending a message or sending a sending 100 bitcoins to, there is a guy there is a guy John. John is a guy, he is getting $100. John is a guy who is getting $100. Alex, so he is sending a transaction with the signing with a private key, with a private key. Okay, so he is sending the amount with a private key, and Alex public key will be there with John. So he will be using this public key to decrypt it automatically. The $100 will get reflected here. This is how the transaction will be happening. Okay, so over here, sir, that is a private key, sir. From the public is created, sir. From the Bitcoin address is created, sir. And from here, using hash function, your public key is created. Using hash function, your address is created. So over here, reversing back to find the public key, reversing back to find the private key is impossible. Impossible. They can't do it. You can't do it. That is the greatest advantage of a blockchain. So considering a transaction is there 40 Bitcoin, I want to transfer to a person called Crucio. This is a transaction. Okay, so this is a transaction. I'm going to make it, comma. That is, so I'm going to use my private key. I'm going to use my private key. Now my private key is ready. The transaction can be happen with a private key and it is hash encrypted. So this transaction private key combined and it is encrypted. Now apply this algorithm, you will be getting the transaction, a blockchain with the content no one can decrypt. This is how the concept works. Over here you can see, so Adam to Daniel, so Adam is sending to Daniel 5 Bitcoin. Okay, Adam is having a private key and a public key, and these two are there in this Adam wallet. Okay, so Adam wallet is here. Now the transaction is happening with the private key and it is digitally signed. It is not digitally signed in the sense it is not signing it. Once it is approved, the transaction, the Adam is encrypted with the hashing algorithm and it is broadcast to the Bitcoin network. So here it is informed. So Adam to Daniel 5 Bitcoin. Adam to Daniel 5 Bitcoin. Adam to Daniel Adam to Daniel 5 Bitcoin. So transaction is updated in 4 places. If the transaction is completed, finish, the transaction will be updated. Okay, the digitally signed transaction with the Adam's private key, public key. So private key is here, public key is there. And the authentic transaction request message is happening and the transaction is completed and it is updated in the ledger. Updated. This is how the keys are working. Now over here, you are able to see, here is the ledger. Sam, Adam, Michael, everyone is here. Over here, Adam from 28 Bitcoin is sending money to 10 Bitcoin to Daniel. Okay, so 28 here, Daniel 23 here. You can see 10 is increased, 33 here, Adam is 18 here. So automatically it's a bank transaction is happening. This is how the transaction is happening and it is called as ledger. Okay, so we got a lot of things to be covering up. Before that, I want to share you great news. We got some blockchain interview question in my website. You can go to my website and learn the Bitcoin related, blockchain related materials, interview questions. Go to this URL kashyainfo.com/blockchain-internship. Just go to this particular page, just scroll down to the bottom. You are able to see lots and lots of interview questions related to blockchain. So under this one, so before going in with the interview, what you can do is just go to this particular URL and learn your prepare for the blockchain, cyber security and security based interview questions. Okay, so this is a link, just go there and you can learn it. Okay, so I'll put this one in the description also if possible. Okay, yes, let's move on. And lots of people, they used to ask me a question, sir, I want to go for a job, sir. I got a break, sir. I want to shift my career, sir. Like a mechanical or some other department, I want to move to software. I got a break 2 years through corona issues and I got a break. I'm a fresher. I got a lot of arrears. I want to shift my job to some other new career. What can I do? In that case, this is a shortcut to reach your job, internship. Go for internship. Our company, Kashya Infotech, we are providing online internships and offline internships in our company. If you're really interested, internship is like learning and getting experience. Okay, so if you got a break, this is a shortcut to go for a job. So go for internships and learn as much as you can. Treat me as your brother. Just come down to my office. I am ready to help you. We are providing all kind of technologies for all departments. BCA, MCA, BCom, MCom, MBA, everyone. Even agriculture also. And if you're really interested in internships, you just contact us. And software related, some of the internships I'm trying to show it to you: ethical hacking, Python, machine learning, Java, Android, web design, cloud computing, DevOps, mechanical, CATIA, 3D modeling, AutoCAD designs, and electronics, robotics, IoT, everything for all departments. Mark my word, for all departments. Okay, including agriculture, I'm telling you. Okay, photography, I'm telling you, all kind of internships and training we are providing. So the languages will be in English and Tamil versions we are providing. Which one you prefer? You can prefer it. Complete 3D based, animation based technological tutorial with the online portals and online classes we are providing. Here is a registration link to contact us. Anytime you just contact us, I'm ready to help you. Recently we posted a 4 bundle package: hacking, Python, machine learning, and blockchain. If you're really interested, please contact us. We are ready to help you. Okay, so many people used to ask me a question, sir, what kind of company you are? Kashya Infotech is a company to provide a lot of career guidance. We are supporting people to get their job. Okay, so we are providing internships, in-plan training, mini projects, final year projects. We are doing a lot of software development and website creation. If you are looking for anything, please contact us. We are ready to help you. Okay, let's move on to the session. So here is the one I'm going to talk about: the centralized and decentralized. See, in the banking sectors and all, we got the data and everything stored in one place, and everyone will be accessing here. If this guy died, no one can access. This is the biggest problem, man. So the data is decentralized in many places. There is someone, some or other will be there to authenticate. That is why your blockchain is a decentralized way of network. Okay, so let's talk about this traditional versus blockchain in detail. Okay, so traditional versus blockchain in a sense, as I told you, the database is here and there is a backup database is here. That's awesome, man. But still, if this guy dies and this guy dies, is the biggest problem. Over here, blockchain will be having the data in multiple places, kind of a decentralized. Decentralized, it is centralized and decentralized. If one guy is not there, I got another guy. One guy is not there, I get another guy. For this guy, he is the shortest guy, nearest guy. If he is not available, nearest guy is here. For him, nearest guy, nearest guy, nearest guy, nearest guy, nearest guy, nearest guy. For him, nearest. Somehow we got the people nearby. We got the people nearby to get the data as soon as possible, fast, and we got the data duplicated, so we are able to get it like in case of emergency or something like that. If someone is not there, there is another one to serve me. Where your blockchain plays a it got lots of good futures. And here is the key terminologies they will ask in the interview. I put everything in the website, don't worry. Okay, ledger. So ledger in the sense like the maintaining all the data, all the transactions, everything is called ledger. Node, the data will be stored in places where the data is stored, that is called node or databases. Wallet, the amount, the Bitcoin which a person individually got is called as wallet. And input, the incoming transactions are called input. These are the key terminologies asked in the interview. Okay, let's move on to how this blockchain works in detail. So till now I teach everything. Okay, now someone requests a transaction. My friend is asking me, hey, give me some 2 bitcoins, man. The requested transaction is spread to multiple peer-to-peer network nodes. Automatically the peer-to-peer network will be validating whether the transaction can be, because this Venkat is there and Krishiv is there, 2 bitcoins this guy is asking. So in that case I should have 2 bitcoin to send it to the guy. I should have a proper account and that guy should have a proper account to transfer. So the nodes will be validating. A verified transaction involves cryptocurrency, contracts, records and all the informations. Everything is there and there is no physical form of money giving. You don't have this money to give to the other people. It's crypto wallets. Once verified the transaction is done, automatically a new block is created indicating 2 bitcoin is given to Prashev. So a new blockchain is created and the block of data is created in the ledger and the new block is added and it is permanent, so you can't cheat them. It is permanent, the blockchain cannot be deleted. Everything is recordable and the transaction is getting complete. Okay, this is how the transaction happening. So I'm giving money to that guy. Verification will be happening whether this guy can transfer the money to that guy. Someone will verify it. If they approve it, the transaction will be added in the blockchain and the data is completed. So transactions will be, everything is maintained in the blockchain. So it is used for future reference. We talk about the advantages of blockchain. So what is the advantages of blockchain? We talk about advantage of blockchain: unified agreement, no one can cheat, economic incentive, blockchain values improvising, fair and equitable. So it is not for, it is it is equal to everyone, no one can cheat anyone. Fault tolerant, if no one is not there, the other guy is there to authenticate and prevent double spending. So once if $2 updated given, it is updated everywhere. It is updated everywhere. Okay, so it's not that I've done the transaction, this guy approved and this guy will, it doesn't have that update. No, everything will be updated. That's the future of features of blockchain. So where this blockchain is used, obviously in bitcoins, in huge transaction, blockchain is really used, as I told you. So blockchain could make customs or tax obligation handling easier. It is very simple for us to manage, to handle the this one, the transactions, everything. Yes, sir. Apart from that, you will be having a real-time information about the products and delivery status. So everything can be, it's a global trade. Global trade in the sense the same blockchain will be used in multiple places all over the world. So that is a major advantage of blockchain. Yeah, a uniform or a single door or single way of handling the currencies. That is where blockchain plays a very important role. Okay, now supply chain management. So supply chain management in the sense, like in the business transaction and all, blockchain plays a very important role, because maintaining the raw transaction for the raw materials is done, and afterwards, like I need to make the product, and product is delivered, everything can be maintained in a proper way. So blockchain could increase transparency in purchasing and supply chain management everywhere. Pallet management, the transport pallets are used to deliver products to retailers and customers throughout the world. It is not that the Bitcoin transaction is only the blockchain. Blockchain involves the money handling and maintaining the ledgers. Everything comes into the picture. Okay, so blockchain, the paper slips are used to label pallets according to the owners. They often get lost or become ineligible, which regularly leads to disputes. So automatically, for companies that ship their products around the world, a large number of transport pallets in circulation means that this can be lead to substantial financial losses. So obviously, for pallet management and all, it plays a, so transport for Amazon, for Flipkart and all, it plays a very important role. And consumer engagement. Consumer engagement in the sense, like you got everything online. Transaction, there is a transparency of business happening with the blockchain world. No one can cheat anyone. That is the greatest advantages of blockchain. And everything, as I told you, everything via internet. So it is controlled, it is managed with the internet of things kind of concepts. Okay, in which the technology could increase security and other stuff. Anti-counterfeit, this is very, very important, because if I add a currency, like anyone can build this kind of currencies, but in blockchain, everything is crypto wallet and digital currencies. No one can duplicate it. Everything is authenticated. So counterfeit of the coins or counterfeit of the like a money is impossible. It's impossible with the blockchain. So this is a major one which the companies and countries are preferring blockchain. Okay, so obviously in domestic purpose and wherever you are, blockchain plays a very important role. In media and all, the spending of money and everything is governed. So you are able to, the ledger is clear. So the ledger is clear, and it is very, very simple and useful for the government, for IT auditing, and also for the owners to maintain their business and everything. So these are some of the advantages of blockchain. So in-depth visualization of blockchain about how this node works. Let's move on here. So you can see it here. So here is the nodes I got. If there is one transaction is happening, automatically it is updated everywhere. So the major disadvantage of this one, like you should have proper internet. You can see the transaction will get updated at a shot in everywhere. So no one can cheat, and authentication can be obtained everywhere. If one guy is updated, automatically it is updated to everyone. Somehow the transactions are maintained clearly. That is why blockchain plays a very important role in decentralized ways of maintaining. Okay, so here is a simple implementation I want to share with you people before closing my session today on blockchain. So blockchain plays a very important role on career wise, dominating the industry. Learn blockchain, so it is very, very important. Yes, here is a simple implementation I made to show you like how this blockchain works. I put some breakpoints and all, like I need to record that one. Sorry for that. So yeah, I made a small program to show you like how this blockchain works. My code is breaking, got some block points, breakpoints there. Stop it here. Like let me. Oh, it's debugging mode. I'll continue. Good. Yes, here is the blockchain. So this is how you are able to see the first block is there, index 0, index 1, the second block is there, index 2, another block is there, and index 3. You got the timestamp, what is the time and what is the previous hash value and data. You are able to see the index 1, it will have the previous hash value, the previous address. So who is my contact point? So, and what is the next contact point, and what is my value, and what is the data, everything you are able to. So Mahesh, and the receiver is Henry, the amount is 5. So you are able to see, and it's a chain is valid. So we are trying to verify that whether my blockchain is working fine or not. Okay, this is how you are able to create blockchains for the transactions. Okay, so I think it's time for me to say goodbye to you. Like, I hope you enjoy my session and learn a lot of things. Here's my Insta account to contact me. And apart from this, our company, Kashiv Infotech, we are providing lots of blockchain courses, internships, and projects via online and offline. So here is my contact numbers and WhatsApp numbers to contact me. And my ethical hacking course links and blockchain links are course links are there. And you got my internship link is here, and you got a in-plan training link is there. So we got a lot of things to contact me. Yes, so it's time for me to say goodbye to you. Our company, we are providing online internships and direct internships on our company. We are conducting courses also. If you're looking for any kind of courses, feel free to contact me. I request you people to share this video to your friends if possible, please. Okay, so it's time for me to say goodbye to you. And these are some of the classes which I'm conducting now. And beyond, we got a lot of classes available. If you're looking for any classes, contact me. We are ready to help you. This is Venkat signing out from Wikitechy and Kashu.